Let's get started here. Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you the Compare It app. And this is a Chrome extension or an Edge add-on. You can download this from the, let me see here if I can open that for you. The Google Chrome Web Store. Web Store. Okay, let's see here. And you can just search for addon.com and it'll be here, and you can download that from the Chrome Web Store here, or you can go to the Microsoft Edge add-on store as well, and you can download from there as well. Okay, so the app is right up here. I added it here. So for example, once you see the add-on, you can just click get or add, and then it's going to add it to your tab here, your browser tab. And what you want to do is you want to pin it. So make sure if you don't pin it up here, you won't see it in your taskbar, and you have to go into this submenu here. So I pinned it so that I can see it there. Okay, I'm going to open up real quick here. It's turned on right now, and this right here where it says show add-on screen. So it's going to add that little button to your browser screen here. So if it's in the way, you can kind of move it around so you can see what's behind it. You can take that off, put that, I'll leave that on there. Okay, you can add to compare list, you can restore compare tab, and you can clear everything from your compares. Okay, so for example, I have that, it creates this compare tab here, and what it does is it allows you to take snapshots of your screen, and it also proves the price as well below it and lists the price. Once you get those items here on this list here, you can order them by lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Okay, or if you like, you can manually drag them and place them in certain places if you like. You can clear them all here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything here, and everything's gone now. Okay, so I'll show you how to use it here now. So let's go to eBay first. And we're here in eBay. Let's look at stuff here. So let's say you're shopping for, I don't know, cameras. Okay, I like this cameras. I'm going to add that to my compare it so I can compare it to other cameras and other items. So I'm going to click on add to compare. Okay, what that does is that's going to drop this, takes a snapshot of this and try to grab the price, and it's going to drop right here into my compare tab. Okay, and it's going to create a list here for me. So here you can see this Canon here, and it's going to drop the price down here. So let's pick a few other items here. Okay, let's rims. Oh, we like rims, so let's grab that as well. Click on add to compare. If you don't want to use that button right there, you can always click up here and use this button as well, add to compare as well. Okay, and you'll see that little number there on the taskbar icon. It's gonna increase there. So it tells me I have 3 items on my list now. Let's go to somewhere else. Let's go to Craigslist, and let's go to cars and trucks here. And oh, I like that one there. Okay, how much is it? It's 13,000 for it. All right, let's grab that. Add that to our list. Go back to our list. You can see it here. It adds it right here, and it proves that price right there for you. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's add a few more things, and then let's see. How about this one here? Some Mercedes. All right, let's grab that. Add to compare. So whatever you want to see, you want to make sure it's on screen here. Okay. And when you do the capture, it's going to capture the screen for you. Okay, a snapshot of this. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go to Walmart here. And let's look at some Walmart items here. What do they have here? Let's see here. Just going to scroll down here a bit here. These slippers here. How about these slippers? Say I'm shopping for slippers here. Okay, let's grab that. Okay. Now here's a unique thing. You'll see right here, if these tiles are too small, you can use the your control key and plus or minus, or control and mouse scroll up or down. So I'm going to use my mouse control, and I can zoom in and I can see it a lot better here. Okay, so even if it doesn't put the price, which Walmart blocks you from grabbing prices, it's called scrapping, so, or scraping. So they don't allow you to pull that, but we can still see the price here. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna zoom this a little bit so I could organize my tiles a little bit neater here. And let's go to another site. Let's say let's go to Zillow and look at homes. Okay. And let's look at home here. Let me pick one here. I'll just pick this first one here. Okay, so oh, this is a nice home. Okay, and my screen is really small so that the video will show up a little bit better. So can't see the prices, but I'm gonna capture this, add to compare. Okay, let's do another one here. Let's pull another one. Go back here, and I have 7 items on my list now. Let's say this one here. Okay. This is a very nice home too. How much is it? 370,000 for it. Okay, so let's add that to our list. Add to compare. Okay, and this is my compare list. So you'll see those 2 homes I added here, and it doesn't let me pull the prices, but that's okay because we can see the price in the image as well. Okay, some website blocks that on purpose. And let's go to somewhere else. Let's see, we went to eBay. Let's go to Target here. Okay, so we're looking at Target here. So pretty much any site, you can grab it and take a snapshot, and it's gonna try to get that price for you. And let's say we want something like this. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's add that to our compare list. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily have to be just items you want to purchase. It could be if you're doing research on websites, news articles, videos, and etc. You can generate, you can do a screenshot capture and etc. and it'll put that on your list. So I think that's enough items here. Let's go to our compare list here. So these are our lists here. Okay, so there's a few things you can do that I showed you already. You can reorganize these by dragging them around as well, okay, to the spot that you like, or you can reorder them by price. So this little arrow tells me that the least to the greatest. So anything that it wasn't able to capture a price, gonna put those first. And the most expensive on the list is from Zillow, which is the $398,000 one. And then we can organize for highest to lowest as well. This is the most expensive item. And these are the one that wasn't able to prove or the cheapest one as well. Okay, so we can also save to file. So when you click save to file, what it's going to do is going to create a PDF file. It's going to export everything into a PDF file for you. And it'll organize everything the way that you had it organized there. And then you can print this, or if you have Adobe, you can put wording or etc. in there, but it gives you a nice, neat report here. Okay, I'm going to close out of that. The other thing to remember is that even though you close all these tabs already, the app saves them inside this compare it tab here. So if I want to revisit that home here, let's say that 398,000 home here, I can actually click on that, and it's going to open the tab straight back to that particular item. Okay, let's close out of that there. Okay, if I don't want that item, there's a little X up here in the upper right hand corner. You can close that and remove that from your list here. So any of these items, let's say I don't want those slippers anymore, I can close that and remove that. Or you can clear everything here, click on this button here, or you can go up here to the menu and clear everything on your compare list here. Okay, so back here, okay, going around here. So let's go to one more place. Let's go to offer up. It's another place to purchase stuff. So here I have this handbag here. Add that to my list also. Let's go to Facebook Marketplace. I think Facebook sells stuff too. Let's go to Facebook here. Let's go to the Marketplace here. Okay. And what do we want to buy? Let's say, oh, how about this card here? It's a beautiful card there. Okay, beautiful card. Okay, so I want to capture this with the price. So the price is here. Okay, add to compare. And let's take a look at that ad right there. Okay, you'll notice that it doesn't pull the price because Facebook doesn't allow you to do scraping. So it doesn't allow you to pull that, but we can see it in the price tag here. So you can't see it, you can zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit here, and then you can see the price tag there. So just make sure you're able to see it. Okay, zoom out. Okay, on the screen here, and you should be good to go. So that is the Compare It app. You can use it for Chrome, Edge, most Chromium browsers, and it allows you to add and capture items to a list, a Compare It list. So you can compare these. If you're doing it for, let's say you're searching for cars per se, you know, you can get it here and organize it by price and see which one's in your budget, which one is the one that you really like, and then prior to purchasing it, you can make good decisions and say, you know what, I'll pick this one or that one, etc. Okay, export that out to a PDF file as well, and you can clear everything else as well. Okay, so it's a very useful utility and tool that I use all the time, especially for research. And it's free. Feel free to download it, and I hope it really helps you as it helps me. So, and I hope you like it too. Other than that, that is it. And this is the Compare It app. You can get it for free. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.